Hello friends, welcome to Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself, Chauhan Digvijay. Today in this video, I am going to teach the students of Standard 4th. My subject is English, Unit number 1, Alphabetical Order. Grammar point here I have taken, okay? Topics covered: explanation of alphabetical order and examples, different kind of examples. How can we arrange group of words in alphabetical order? Okay, so this is my first period of grammar. Okay, unit number 1, alphabetical order. Please remember. Okay, now dear friends, before I start to teach, before I start this lesson, I am going to tell you something about alphabetical order. Okay, first of all, we must know how many letters in English alphabet. Okay, so in English we have a set of letters in a fixed order. In English we have a set of letters, so there are 26 letters in English alphabet, but they are in a fixed order. Okay, we write these 26 letters in two ways. We can write these 26 letters in two ways. Okay, all of you perhaps familiar with this. Okay, so first way, पहला वे कौन सा है? हाउ कैन वी राइट? सो कैपिटल लेटर्स A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, there are 26 letters. Okay, now second way, as a small letters. Okay, as a small letters. So we can write these small letters you have learnt in a junior or senior KG. Okay, some of you have learned in standard first, second. Okay, so A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, again how many letters? 26. Okay, so these are two ways that we can write 26 letter in two ways. Okay, but remember this, the order in which the letters A, B, C, D up to Z are arranged is called alphabetical order. Remember again, the order in which the letters A, B, C, D up to Z, okay, start from A, B, C, D, Z, Z tak are arranged is called alphabetical order. Okay, so this is something about alphabetical order. Okay, now friends, so you might have question, uh, how alphabetical order is useful to us. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर का आखिर क्या यूज़ है? तो सुन लो. Have you seen a dictionary? Yes. So a dictionary presents the words in alphabetical order. डिक्शनरी में जो सभी वर्ड्स होते हैं वो कैसे अरेंज किए होते हैं? अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर्स में. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो हमें कोई वर्ड ढूंढना है तो ज़्यादा दिक्कत होगी, ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगा. सो अ डिक्शनरी प्रेजेंट्स द वर्ड्स इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. दिस मेक्स it easier for us. So alphabetical order से वो डिक्शनरी होती है, तो it makes very easier for us to find the meanings of the particular word, to find the meanings of particular words. You some of you have telephone directories at home, okay? Some of you have seen encyclopedias, okay? So these telephone directories and encyclopedias arrange names and entries, okay? They arrange names and entries in alphabetical order so that we can find any name, any entry very easily. Otherwise it will be very difficult. It take too much time. It will take too much time to find names or entries. That's why dictionary, telephone directories and encyclopedias arrange the different names, different spellings, different words and different entries in alphabetical order. Okay friends, now write these names in alphabetical order. Okay, first of all, understand how can we write the given names in alphabetical order. For example, first name Mayur, we start with M. Ashok, we start with letter A. Rahul, Rahul starts with R. Chetan, Chetan starts with C. Okay, so now how can we arrange? Look here, suppose I have written okay, first name Mayur. When we speak ABCD, which word we will have to remember which letter comes first. Okay, so here when we start A, so Ashok, here you will write Ashok here at the number 1. Okay, Ashok. Now second one B. Is there any name with B? No. Then C. Yeah, you can try C. I have written with pink color. Okay, so C, A, then B is the word. B से कोई स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ऐसा कोई वर्ड नहीं है, तो आपको C से लेना है, उसके बाद का लेटर. ओके, सो C you will write here at the second number. Okay, can you see? Yeah. Now friends, A, B, C, D is not there, E not there, F not there, G not, H, I, J, K, L, M. आपको ये सब वर्ड्स का फर्स्ट लेटर आपको याद रखना है. ओके, उसके बाद यू कैन arrange in alphabetical order. So here M, yes, Mayur starts with M, so we will write here the word Mayur at the number 3. Okay friends, now remain the last one. You can write easily M के बाद N, O, P, Q, R. So R you can write here. Okay friends, yeah. So now I think you have understood what is an alphabetical order and how it is useful to us for finding the meanings of the words. In telephone directories, if we want to find names of some people, some person, okay, so you can find it very easily. Okay friends, now here I have given you some words and I have written the answer also, so that you can understand it very easily. Okay friends, so I am write each set of words in alphabetical order. Write each set of words in alphabetical order. Okay. So the first group of words I am reading. First one A and T, ant. Second one beans. Third one panda. Fourth one chalk. Fifth one story. Okay. Now friends, remember, you will have to remember the first letter of particular word. Okay. Okay, A से start करेंगे. So A and T, and here I have written the same color so that you can arrange it very easily. Okay, so A and T, and we will write first, then B से start होगा. Beans will come at second number. Third number chalk, A B C. Okay, you speak silently and you can arrange. Okay, A B C, chalk. Okay, chalk will come at the number 3. Now fourth, again A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Okay, P. So panda we will write at number 4. Sorry, okay, 4. Then the last one story. Okay, STORY. So story we will write at last. Okay, now look at the second group of words. Elephant, bananas, peanuts, cheese, stamp. Okay, elephant, bananas, peanuts, cheese, stamp. So here again speak silently A B C D, just like this. You can easily arrange. Okay, so first word we will write with A, but A is not there, so we will start with B, bananas. Okay, very good. Now second number C, cheese. Yes, cheese. Okay, we will write cheese second number. Then A B C D E, elephant. Okay, elephant right at number 3. Number 4, peanuts, PEANUTS. Okay, peanuts. Now number 5, and the stamp, you can write number 5. Okay, stamp, STAMP, because S comes after P. Okay, like this. Now look at the group of number 3. Monkey, apples, prove, chili, still. Monkey, apples, prove, chili, still. So now start with A. Yes, apple we will write first apple. Then B is not there. C, chili. Yes, chili you can write at number 2nd. Then monkey you will write M at number 3. Okay, then prove, PROVE. So P कब आता है? आफ्टर M, MNOP. So P you will write prove at number 4, and still the last one is again the same, still last one. Okay, now friends, look at number 4th group of words. Okay, so I am reading tortoise, cucumbers, popcorn, church, stadium. Okay, so start with A, but A there is not a single word. We start with A. So B, no, B is also not there. So C, yes, church. You can see the number 4th, church. Okay, so we will write at number 1. Okay, then cucumbers, same again. Then popcorn, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P, popcorn. Okay, so you will write popcorn number 3. Now Stadium, stadium. Okay, PQRS, S, P के बाद S से जो वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है वो आएगा. So stadium, we will write stadium at number 4. Now tortoise, tortoise, you will write at last number. Okay, tortoise. Now because S कब आता है, T के बाद आता है, ST. Okay, so tortoise we will write at number 5. Okay friends, so have you understood what I want to say? You will have to write, you will have to arrange this group of words in alphabetical order like this. Okay, now I have given this page, this exercise to write in your grammar notebook, which I have taken from unit number 1 alphabetical order from our grammar book. Okay, this is the first lesson. Okay, so you will have to write these all exercises in your English grammar notebook. Okay friends, now again second exercise I have given to you as homework. So with the help of letters used in the word education from the following words. Okay, so here an animal, एजुकेशन वर्ड दिया गया है, उसमें से आपको एक एनिमल का नाम लिखना है. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन राइट इन द फर्स्ट कॉलम an animal name. Look here, CAT, cat. Okay, can you see? Yes, very good. So now, so cat you will write here, there are 3 boxes. Okay, CAT. Okay, you will write here CAT. Okay, CAT like this. Here you will write CAT. Okay friends, in this given box. Now we can catch butterflies with this. We can catch butterflies with this. Okay, so we can catch butterflies with this. So here you will write NET, net. Okay, net, NET. Here you will write NET. In this box you will write NET. Okay, here you will write in this box CAT. Okay friends, now it means the same is given something to someone. एक वर्ड है अंदर, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इट मीन्स द सेम इज एज गिविंग समवन टू समवन. ओके, सो D and T is there. You will have to fill up these 3 boxes. Okay, so here the word DO, here you will write O, then here DONA TE. Okay, donate, DONATE, donate. Okay, now the lions lives here. Okay, as we live in home, the lion lives here, so it is called which word? DEN. Okay, DEN. Okay, so you will write here in this 3 box, the lion lives here. Okay, so now exercise number D, solve this puzzle. Where does the word 3 come before 2 and 7 come before 6? You will have to do it yourself. Okay, if you can't find answer of this puzzle, I will tell you later on. Okay friends, now this is homework for you. Arrange the following group of words in alphabetical order. There are very easy words. You can easily arrange this group of words in alphabetical order. The first letter of every word helps us to write the words in alphabetical order. Remember this. You will have to remember this. The first letter of every word. The first letter of every word helps us to write the words in alphabetical order. Okay, friends. So this is your homework. So if you have any kind of doubt related to this unit alphabetical order, you can call me, you can send me message. Okay, friends. So here this chapter ends. Okay, unit number 1 ends, and in my second next lecture, next video, we will talk about unit number 2. Okay, so here I have finished this chapter. Okay, friends. Now thanks a lot, and write all these exercises which I have given in this video in your English grammar notebook. Okay, please make separate notebook of grammar. Okay, so thank you once again for watching this video.